Hello and welcome to Easy Bite. I am Mohana and I'm going to be making cheese balls. These are the ingredients that are needed: mashed potatoes, breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper, cornflour and water. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. Put them in the cooker and boil them. Pour sufficient water. Close the lid. Keep it for 5 whistles. Cut small pieces of mozzarella cheese based on the size of your cheese balls. Mash the potatoes evenly. Now we should mix the corn flour into the mashed potato. Add sufficient corn flour and ensure it is not sticky. And then add salt and pepper. Mix it well. Add corn flour into water. Mix it evenly. Tap your fingers into the water. Take the mashed potato and on your left palm, evenly spread it out. Take 2-3 pieces of mozzarella cheese. Put it in the middle and close it evenly. Make sure the cheese is in the middle and there is no gap. Make it into a ball. Dip it inside the cornstarch water thoroughly. Put it in the breadcrumbs and see that each and every side is filled with the breadcrumbs. It should look something like this. Now you need to deep fry these cheese balls. Reduce the flame and add sufficient oil. After the oil is hot enough, put the cheese balls in the oil. And evenly deep fry them. Deep fry until golden brown. The cheese inside should melt. Make sure the flame is low. Remove it carefully and put it on paper so that the tissue paper absorbs the oil.